Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're going to start off on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro Yen is definitely drifting down on the 1 hour. I mean, to me, like I've been saying for the last few days, it looks like a potential A, B, and it looks like a wave C. Most wave Cs do take out the low of wave A before they continue the uptrend, but they definitely don't always take out the low of wave A. They definitely do sometimes make higher lows and then break up and then continue up. Especially when you get a higher high wave B, sometimes you get a higher high wave C, which is a running ABC correction or a running flat, whatever you want to call it. So going all the way up to the daily weekly for just a second here, I just need to show you that my target for this move up is right around the 78%, which is right around the 1.71 area. So I am definitely continuing to be very, very bullish. I personally am only looking for long still. I am definitely ignoring all these moves to the downside, but instead I'm looking to go long here, 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 here. Even right there, I probably would have tried to go long, long here, long there, long there. Definitely continuing to go long on every single pullback I see, especially if it's a nice Fibonacci bounce and a nice engulfing move to the upside. So definitely recommending longs when the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are all in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.